This is going to be the rack to carry at least a couple sheets of plywood or some drywall.
So we are making a reinforcement to the frame.
It's all aluminum.
All aluminum, yeah. And we are welding with the spool gun.
We're using the spool gun here, which is a .035. This is the Lincoln welder. Those are the settings we're using. And we have this, we're grinding smooth so that it gives you a nice contrast. And that's the next one to be welded. As you can see, we have a relief cut so that we could fill it with a full weld. And then you can see that the workshop is getting crowded. So please no comments about how messy my shop is. Here's first trial for the rack. So we're using aluminum 1x2, 3/16. Okay, here we are. This is a dry test fit. As you can see, I decided to match the line of the body to the line of the rack. Rather than making the rack straight, which would be down to here, it all seems to flow aerodynamic. So there we are. Now we still have to add the top portion, which is going up and across so that it matches the rack that we made for the little truck, which we made that out of steel to match the big truck, which came already pre-made, but really heavy duty. So we're gonna match that, so that matches that, and this is gonna match that. We had to switch over to the stick, aluminum stick, because the spool gun was not giving enough penetration to weld the thick aluminum. But this is the rack upside down, getting its final touches. We're using this for the stick welding, and we're using it at 135 amps. And we're getting a very nice weld. After we install the rest of the gussets, then we'll put it on the truck. Okay, we finally got the rack mounted. We have it bolted here. It's all welded. Still needs to be sanded and cleaned up, but it gives you an idea. We're right in the process of putting the crossbar with a real catch here, and we're going to do a pin here so that the arm swings rather than sitting on the bed. So as you can see, it's coming along. Not bad.